Welcome to Conversation Art Piece. My name is Alana. If this is your very first time, welcome. Please like and subscribe.
Come on, paint with me.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today in creating these acrylic pour wooden handmade earrings. All right, I just had to get that out the way. So what I'm doing here is just I'm putting the first layer of paint on, just a white coat first. First thing I actually did was put some gesso on top of this, and then I put some white on top of it. Oops, that wanted to go bye-bye. Now this is where the magic begins. All I'm doing here is taking the fluid art paints and layering them on top of each other, then swirling them around to create this vibrant, colorful, abstract art pattern that is just popping. As you can see, they're drying. Peace.